Good morning all. Let us discuss some question on image segmentation. So look at this question. In this question, we have to compute the magnitude and the gradient using the Prewitt operator for these two shaded pixels. So let us solve these questions. We all know the Prewitt operators. Prewitt operator are of two types. So Prewitt operator are of two types. Name it as, let us name this as hx and this is as hy. So first we will perform for this pixel value 6. So for the pixel value 6, first I apply the hx filter. The center of the hx filter I will put at this point, and the corresponding pixels will be multiplied with the corresponding coefficient of the filter mask hx. So if you perform the corresponding multiplication, it is called as gx. So pixel by pixel multiplication, it means this 3 it is multiplied with -1, 4 it is multiplied with -1, 5 it is multiplied with -1. Similarly 5, 6, 7 will multiply with the coefficient 0, 0, 0, and 7, 8, 9 will multiply with the coefficient 1, 1, 1. So my output it is gx, and we can write it as -3, -4, -5 plus second row all element will be multiplied with 0, and in the third row all coefficient will be multiplied with 1, 1, 1. So it is 7 plus 8 plus 9. So if you do the calculation, you will get the result 12. Similarly, we will apply the filter mask hy. The center of the filter mask hy is this one. We will keep the center of this hy at this point, and we will perform the corresponding multiplication. So once you perform the corresponding multiplication, the first column 3, 5 and 7, it will be multiplied with the coefficient -1, -1, -1. The second column 4, 6 and 8 will be multiplied with the coefficient 0, 0, 0, and the third column 5, 7, 9 will be multiplied with the coefficient 1, 1, 1. So if you write the result, let the result it is represented by gy. So my result becomes 3, 5 and 7 will be multiplied with the coefficient -1, -1, -1. So I will write -3, -5, -7. Second column will be multiplied with the coefficient 0, and third column these will be multiplied with the coefficient 1, 1, 1. So it is 5 plus 7 plus 9. So if you compute the result, you will get the answer, it is 6. Now in order to compute the magnitude, the formula of magnitude, it is root under gx square plus gy square. It means it is under root 12 square plus 6 square. 12 square it is 144, and 6 square it is 36. So it becomes under root 180, and up to 2 decimal place, my answer it is 13.41. Next, in order to compute the gradient, the mathematical equation of gradient, it is tan inverse gy by gx. So it is tan inverse, my gy is 6, my gx is 12, so it is 6 by 12. On simplification, it becomes tan inverse 0.5, and in terms of degree, it is 26.565 degree. All right. So in the similar manner, we will proceed for this pixel point, for this pixel value 10 also. So similarly for pixel value 10, once we will apply hx mask, in the next time we will apply the hy mask. So first, when we apply the hs mask, the 3 cross 3 matrix, the first row are 7, 8, 9. It will be multiplied with the coefficient -1, -1, -1. Second row are 9, 10, and 11. It will be multiplied with the coefficient 0, 0, and 0. And my third row, 11, 12, 13, it will be multiplied with 1, 1, 1. So if I write the expression of gx, it is coming to be -7, -8, -9 from the first row, 0 from the second row, and from the third row, it is 11 plus 12 plus 13. Once again, if you do the calculation, you will get the result, it is 12. Similarly, we will write the expression for gy. For gy, we have to apply the mask hy, and the center of this mask, I have to keep it at the pixel value 10. Then this first column, it is multiplied with -1, -1, -1. It means 7, 9, and 11 will be multiplied with -1, -1, -1. Second column, 8, 10, and 12 will be multiplied with 0, 0, and 0. And third column, 9, 11, and 13 will be multiplied with 1, 1, 1. So if I write the result, so my result would be -7, -9, -11 from the first column. From the second column, my result it is 0, and from the third column, my answer are 9, 11 plus 13. Again, if you compute the, if you do the calculation, you will get the answer 6. So the same procedure we will apply to determine the magnitude. The magnitude of this, it is under root gx square plus gy square. So the same calculation will be repeated, 12 square plus 6 square. You will get the result up to 2 decimal place, it is 13.41. Similarly, if you repeat the operation for determining this gradient also, the formula of gradient, it is tan inverse gy by gx. So it is tan inverse 6 by 12, which is nothing but is equals to tan inverse half. And in terms of degree, it is 26.565 degree. So finally, for these two shaded pixels, for the pixel value 6 and 10, we have determined its corresponding magnitude and gradient. Thank you.